stupid. This is Cat drunk. On February 15th, nope, it must be 16th now, Monday morning. She's a little drunk. We had quite a bit. Their shots were humongous. Their shots were like quadruple shots. Slap that ass. Shake it! Shake it like a salt shaker. We are at the Garden Walk in Anaheim, about 2 blocks away from our hotel. It's probably about 1:30. We don't have a clock or a watch or a phone with us. Cat is curious and a troublemaker. She's gonna get trapped under. There's her tent, her little teepee. I'm gonna leave you. Bye. The end.